Having the best cookie press is essential for creating beautifully shaped cookies effortlessly, perfect for any occasion or holiday baking. Stay tuned as we introduce you to the top 5 cold cookie presses that will elevate your baking game. So let's find your perfect match. Number 1. Hutzler Easy Action Cookie Press. The Hutzler Easy Action Cookie Press is designed to make cookie baking simple and fun. With just 2 easy steps, lifting the handle and clicking down, you can achieve perfectly shaped cookies without any squeezing or twisting. This unique feature allows you to move at your own pace, making the process effortless and enjoyable. One standout feature of this cookie press is its ability to make two-tone cookies with a colored center, adding a delightful visual twist to your treats. But it doesn't stop at cookies. The Hutzler Easy Action Cookie Press can also be used to make macaroons, pasta, and cheese straws. Additionally, it turns into a food decorator, allowing you to decorate cakes and cookies, and even prepare deviled eggs and twice-baked potatoes. Now, let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. Some users have noted that the cookies made with this press are less delicate compared to those made with other presses. Additionally, the overall feel of the product might come across as lower in quality. If you're interested in a versatile and easy-to-use cookie press that offers unique features like two-tone cookies, the Hutzler Easy Action Cookie Press might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. To learn more or to purchase this cookie press, check out the link in the description below. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press. The OXO Good Grips Cookie Press allows you to create perfect cookies with just the press of a lever. It includes durable stainless steel discs and 12 classic and custom designs, providing plenty of options for any occasion. The non-slip base keeps the cookie press steady, ensuring precise and uniform cookies every time. Plus, the clear body shows you exactly how much dough is left, so you know when it's time for a refill. Designed for comfort and convenience, the large, non-slip lever is easy to use, even during repetitive tasks. The cookie press comes apart for easy filling and cleaning, making your baking experience hassle-free. Additionally, it includes a convenient case for storing the discs, keeping everything organized and accessible. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. One downside is that additional Christmas disc designs are sold separately, which means an extra cost if you want more festive options. Despite this minor inconvenience, the OXO Good Grips Cookie Press is a fantastic tool for bakers of all levels. Its ease of use, variety of designs, and thoughtful features make it a great addition to your kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing the OXO Good Grips Cookie Press, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Happy baking and enjoy making those delicious cookies. Number 3. Masterclass Professional Icing Set. The Masterclass Professional Icing Set is a comprehensive 22-piece kit that includes 8 nozzles and 13 cutters. This set is perfect for creating perfectly shaped biscuits, cookies, churros, and for decorating cakes and cupcakes with precision and ease. Made from high-quality stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, this icing set is both durable and easy to clean. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making your post-baking cleanup a breeze. One of the standout features of this set is its versatility. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, you'll appreciate the variety of tools included. The set comes with a handy storage box, ensuring your tools stay organized and protected. Masterclass also offers a 5-year guarantee, providing you with peace of mind and confidence in the product's quality. While it's dishwasher safe, Masterclass recommends hand washing for optimal performance and longevity. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. One downside is that the icing set is not transparent, so you can't see how much dough or icing you have left while using it. This minor inconvenience can be easily managed with a little practice. Overall, the Masterclass Professional Icing Set is an excellent investment for anyone who loves baking and decorating. Its high-quality materials, versatile use, and thoughtful design make it a must-have in your kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing the Masterclass Professional Icing Set, check out the link in the description below. Happy baking and enjoy creating beautiful, delicious treats. Number 4. Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press. The Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press is designed for convenience and efficiency, making it perfect for baking large batches of cookies for any occasion. Its comfortable ergonomic handle with a soft grip trigger ensures that you can press out cookies effortlessly. The clear barrel lets you keep an eye on how much dough you have left, so there are no surprises in the middle of your baking session. This cookie press comes with 12 versatile discs, including seasonal favorites like Christmas trees, wreaths, and snowmen, as well as everyday designs such as hearts, stars, and pinwheels. This variety allows you to create beautiful, uniform cookies for any celebration or gathering. Plus, cleaning is a breeze as you simply wash the press in warm, soapy water before and after each use, ensuring it's ready for your next baking adventure. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. One issue users have noted is that the threads on the tube may strip over time, potentially affecting the durability and longevity of the press. However, with careful use, this can be minimized. In summary, the Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press is an excellent choice for both novice and experienced bakers. Its ergonomic design, clear barrel, and variety of discs make it a versatile and reliable tool in your kitchen. If you're interested in purchasing the Wilton Simple Success Cookie Press, check out the link in the description below. Happy baking and enjoy making those delightful cookies. Number 5. Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press. The Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press is perfect for anyone looking to create beautiful, uniform cookies with ease. This press extrudes cookie dough through 14 unique steel discs, allowing you to produce a variety of cookie shapes effortlessly. The clear tube holds enough dough for about 30 cookies, so you can bake large batches without constantly refilling. One of the standout features of this cookie press is its ease of use and cleanup. It comes apart effortlessly, making it easy to wash. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, saving you time and hassle in the kitchen. The Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press also includes a set of recipes to get you started on your baking journey. Let's talk about some drawbacks of this product. While the Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press is convenient, some users have found that the handle is not as comfortable as other options, which might make it less ideal for extended use. Additionally, there is a possibility that the press may discolor in the dishwasher over time, which could affect its aesthetic appeal. In summary, the Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press is a reliable and versatile tool for any home baker. Its ability to create a variety of cookie shapes combined with its easy cleanup makes it a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. If you're interested in purchasing the Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Happy baking and enjoy creating those delicious cookies. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Let us know which product review you like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thumb this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.